Rebuilding an engine isn't just about taking things apart and putting them back together. There are crucial details you must pay attention to, or that freshly rebuilt engine could fail in no time. Today, we're diving into 6 critical steps for a successful rebuild. First, torque matters. Every bolt has a specific torque specification. Under torque risks things coming loose. Over torque and you could damage parts. Always use a torque wrench and follow the specs. Next, bearing clearances. Bearings are crucial. Too tight and you risk overheating. Too loose and you'll lose oil pressure. Measure twice to get it right. Number 3, piston to wall clearance. Clearances change with piston type. Wrong clearance can cause piston slap. Get those specs right. Deck height and head height are essential for compression. Variance can alter compression ratio, impacting power. Especially with aftermarket parts, don't overlook these measurements. Head gaskets maintain compression and prevent leaks. Use the right gasket to avoid overheating and power loss. Finally, follow the specified sequence for torquing head bolts. Wrong order can warp the head. Ensure even pressure. Engine rebuilding is both art and science. Follow these steps for a strong, reliable engine. Happy wrenching!